Magkano na kami?
Ay, dali, sakay kayo dito. Dali. Ha? Dali. Sakay kayo, dali, dito. Iya. Brayden.
Hindi mo lang mangyayari. Sunod ka lang.
O, tingin. O, Brayden, kay Iya. Ayan o, kay Iya. Sige na. Sige, picture 1, 2, 3, picture. Picture, tingin muna. 1, 2, 3, smile. Jayden, tingin. Brayden. 1, 2, 3, smile. Brayden. Dito, Brayden. Iya, picture ka dito yang. Picture ka yang. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Ano meron dyan?
Alam, gito lang.
Pwede dito ka sa robot na wala ka picture. Halika.
Halika, picture ka dito sa robot.
Ayan.
Ayan na. Doon na daw, dito na daw. Picture ka muna, dali.
Banda yan.
Andun si Ida eh. Saan ba siya? Doon. Upo dito. Upo, saan si Jayden? Jayden, halika dito. Diyan, dito tayo.
Experiments about a liquid that we're very familiar with. It's something that yes, it's water. It's something that we use every day, right? So can anyone give me some examples of how we use water? Yes? Don't be shy, it's okay. You don't have to raise your hand. What's your name, Ate?
Sam.
Sab. Okay, so Sab, what's one way that we use water?
From taking a shower.
Yeah, from taking a shower. So water is very good for washing things. Yes.
We drink it.
We drink it. Yeah. So how much water do we need to drink every day?
Like it can be any.
Yes. Any or between 8 to 10 glasses of water. So for the last example, anyone else? Example how we use water. For swimming, yeah. So given that it's so hot right now in the middle of April, swimming in water is a very good use for it. So even if water is something that we use in our daily life, it's something that we are has some very interesting properties. So let's start like this. So is anybody familiar with static electricity? Yes? Have you heard that term before?
Not really, but I do know electricity.
Okay, so you know electricity, right? So electricity is it's made by the movement of negatively charged particles called electrons. So electrons they like to interact. They move from one object to another. So what I am doing is I am making the electrons from this piece of cloth temporarily move to our pipe. So that is what static electricity is. And it's static because the electrons are just staying on the surface of the pipe. Well, they won't stay there forever. Eventually, they'll go back to the cloth, but they're not moving around in our pipe either. So I think I brought this pipe enough, and I'm going to be putting it next to our water. So hopefully, you guys can see if anything happens when I put our pipe near the water. So is anything happening to our water?
Moving.
It's moving. How is it moving? moving? Is it going towards or going away from our pipe? It's going away or it's going towards? It's going towards our pipe. So why is this happening? Flip it over. If I flip it upside down, what do you think will happen to the water inside? Will it spill or will it stay inside of our cup? It'll stay? It'll stay, okay? So in 3, 2, 1, let's flip it. Alright, so you guys were right. Our water stayed inside of the cup. But what if I pull out the card? Will it stay or will it spill? Who said it will spill? Raise your hand. Okay, so some people say it's gonna spill. How about stay? Raise your hand if you say the water will stay. It'll stay, okay? So let's see if it will spill or if it will stay. So in 3, 2, 1. What's happening? So what happened to our water?
It's staying.
So do you see my hand getting wet? Under? You sure? You can put your them over the fire. So what do you think will happen to the balloon with air? It will pop? Who says it will pop? Raise your hand. It will pop. It will pop. Promise. Who says it's not going to pop? Raise your hand. It's not going to pop? Okay, so let's give me a countdown, guys, okay? So let's put it over the fire. If you're sensitive to loud noise, you may want to cover your ears. Ayun, so let's count, no? So 1, 2.
Oh!
So our balloon popped. But why did it pop? No water. But with our second balloon with water. So do you think our balloon is going to pop? No? Who says no? Okay, a lot of people are saying no. Is there anyone who says, well, it might still pop? I mean, it's hot, right? There's a fire, it might pop. Okay, so you may want to close your ears again. No, for this experiment. So let's count down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So did our balloon pop? No, it didn't pop. You guys want to touch? So is it hot or cold?
Okay, akit tayo sa second floor. Wow, 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 wow! Wow! Okay, mga langgay.
Dami, no?
Mga languages.
Pilipinas lang po, diba?
Dialects. Pilipinas lang to?
Ah.
Oh, ang dami.
Dami.
Yan yung language ng Philippines. Ha?
Ang laki, ma.
Ang laki ng CR nila. Hawakan mo yan. Oo. Dito. Wala, gumagalaw sila. Dali, picture ka. Tingin. Doon ba sa kabila? Gumagalaw sila. Galing. Picture da. Ha? Ganit. Okay. Prepare food. Mag, gutom na ka? Kaon sa ako.
Gutom na ako.
Ayan na, kain na kayo. Iya. Ayun o, mag-bike ka doon o. Sige, bike. Buhatin mo siya. Iya, ganyan o, paikutin mo. Jayden, nalika na. Ano yan? Ano meron dyan? Ha? Parang totoo, no? La, galing. Jayden, dito oh, Jayden. Diyan upo ka, dali picturean kita yun. Octopus. La, talambot. Picture ka dali, upo ka dyan. Upo ka. Upo ka. Sige. O, ikaw muna iya. Tingin ka, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Ano na wala ko sa box, telepono.
Ha? Wala naman. Wala mo. Asa na yung drawing mo? Yan, magkulay ka, Jayden. Tapos ilalagay mo dun, oh. Asa na sa'yo? Ayan. Ayan. Lipad na siya. Kay Jayda naman. Dali, mag-color kayo, Iya. Ayan ang pambura. Tapos ilagay niya doon. Ayan ang mabura. Oh, okay na yan. Dali. Ano, burahin. Yan, sige, magkulay na. Okay na dyan. Saan na yun sa'yo? O, yun na. Dito, dito. Tapos titignan mo ha, yung drawing mo lalabas doon, oh. Sige, ilagay mo dyan. Tapos lalabas doon, oh. Tignan mo yung drawing mo. Lalabas doon sa gilid. Doon sa gilid, oh. Ayan, oh. Doon na sa gilid. Ayan, oh. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na, oh. Nakita mo? Nakita mo? Dali, ituro mo yung drawing mo. Yan, ang galing nga. Oh, diba? Brayden naman.
Abangan mo dun.
Abangan mo yung drawing mo. Ituro mo, ha. Ayun, oh. Wow. Turo mo, Brayden. Kay Iya. Umalis na siya. Kay Iya, alikayang. Galing, no? Wait lang. Si Iya seryoso sa pagdodrawing ay pagkukulay. Iya. Dali, ilagay mo na, Iya.
Ganito. Ito ka bed kay din. Jaden. Lagay mo na dun. Sige na, lagay mo na.
Lagay mo doon, tapos hanapin mo. Wait lang, sa Ate Iya muna. Tignan mo doon yang. Tignan mo doon. Doon, oh, ituro mo ha. Drawing mo. Ay, yung kulay. Wala, ang tagal mo, boss. Ayun, yun yung kay Iya. Ayun na yung kay Iya. Oh, wow. Da Vinci. Lang galing, ha? Anong bansa to? Tombak. Shoe. Oh, Brayden, tingin. Saglit na. Tingin ka, Brayden. Iya, tingin kaya. Iya, tingin mo na. Iya. Jaden, halika, tiga picture ka dito.
I didn't see it. Hey, look, here. Guys, come on, let's go here to see this thing. I wonder if my sister's still Mom, we're gonna get killed.
Buhatin. Ganda niya, oh, yang. Picture ka din niya. Ang ganda ng robot. Picture ka dyan niya. Wag na dyan. May bayad na dyan eh, may bayad. Wag na nga. Iba yung bayad dyan, iba yung bayad. Magpalo ka na lang. Ayan na pala, ayan. Wala, nalaglag na. Ano nakalagay?
Punta tayo doon sa play.
Wala yung ink eh.
Punta tayo doon.
Wait lang. Wow.
Ako.
Tingnan mo.
Ako nga. Sabi ako.
Oh, ganda no? Ayaw.
Bakit yan?
Anong pagkain meron dito?
World, I'm sure you've been eagerly waiting for the concert to start. A spectacular dance robot performance will begin shortly, so please wait just a little bit longer. Please take your seats. The performance will begin shortly. Hello, everyone. We are the best dance robot team in the world. I'm sure you've been eagerly waiting for the concert to start. A spectacular dance robot performance will begin shortly, so please wait just a little bit longer. Our next song is Dream School, the theme song of my S-School, our very own TV show.
Best dancer, ah. Ano nangyari doon sa isa? Tara! Ayun, wala kang ano. Ah.
learn all about our amazing world dito sa Behind the